Hello guys, in today's video we're going to grab two of these bowls and we're going to spray paint them in white. Then I'm going to place it upside down. Then I'm going to grab my hot glue and then just put hot glue all the way around it, then attach the other one on top. Then I'm going to take this bling wrap and I'm going to cut it like that into pieces until I cut a whole string out. Once I cut the whole string out, I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to attach it like that to the first bowl, and then I'm going to continue doing it until I attach all the way to the bottom like that. Just make sure to put a little bit of hot glue. And then we're going to continue attaching until we do the whole thing. Then I'm going to grab this floral foam, place it right in the middle, and then I'm going to place my flower right on top. You can use a stick to place the flower like around it, so we're just gonna go ahead and continue doing that. Then I'm gonna take another piece and place it right at the bottom. And I'm also gonna place another one right in the middle like that just to make it extra cute. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. So simple and so easy that you guys can do. This could be for home decor or party decorations. It's up to you how you guys want to use it. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna grab one of this glass. I'm gonna place it upside down. Then I'm gonna take this solar lights. I'm gonna use this part, the last part like that. I'm gonna grab my hot glue and put some of it and attach it right on top. Then I'm going to take this floral foam, just place it inside there. I'm going to place it in the other side as well. Then go ahead and spray paint it in gold. Then I'm going to fill out the floral foam with flower all the way around it like that until you fill it up. Then after you fill it up, you're gonna go ahead, grab your hot glue, and in the hole that you made before, we're gonna place it right inside there to attach it into place. Then fill out the whole thing. Then in the other hole, we're gonna place a candle right on top. Then I'm gonna take this bling wrap and I'm gonna place it right in the middle and there like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing at the bottom part as well. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. So simple, so easy, looks super cute, and it's easy for you guys to do. This could be for home decor as well, or candle holder, which is cute, or you could just do it like this one. It's up to you. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna grab one of this glass and I'm going to put some Mod Podge and I'm going to put my Podge all the way around. And I'm gonna take this gold confetti and then I'm gonna place it inside like that, you guys. And so I fill it out, and then I'm gonna spray paint it in white like that. I'm gonna spray paint the white inside. Then I'm gonna take this candle holder and place it on top. Then I'm gonna take this fishbowl and place it on top. I'm gonna place my candle right inside like that. And then I'm gonna take another candle holder and I'm gonna place it in there, but I'm gonna do it different ways. I'm gonna put some light inside like that, then close it up. If you want the light, just leave the light outside so you could turn it on and turn it back on if you need to. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. This is the first one that you could just leave it like that, like a cute little centerpiece, which it turns out super cute. Now you could do with the two candle holder, a taller version, it will look like this, will look super cute as well. I think if you put another color, it will also look great, or you could do it just as a candle holder. So it's up to you how you guys want to do it. For the next idea, I'm gonna take three of these stick and I'm gonna take this hair tie. I'm just gonna place it right in there just to attach it into place. Then just attach it to the middle. Then just go ahead and open it up like that. Then I'm gonna take this round wood and place it in there. I'm gonna use this round mirror, but we're gonna use first. I'm gonna put the wood like that around it, and we're gonna take our hot glue and then attach it into place like that. So then we're gonna go ahead and grab the other stick and do the same thing and attach it into place. Then before we attach the other one, we're gonna take this floral foam and put some hot glue and then attach it right in the middle. Then after we attach it into place, we're gonna take our hot glue and attach the other stick just like that. Then right after that, I'm gonna, after you guys attach it, you're gonna spray paint it in gold or whatever color you guys are doing. I'm gonna take my branches and greenery and flowers and I'm gonna place it around it in here. You could do it all white or you could just place a hint of flowers of any other color. I'm gonna do a hint of red. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. Then I put a bling wrap in the middle like that. Then I'm gonna put some hot glue at the top and put this mirror right in there. We're gonna use this glass. Here's I'm gonna show you. You can leave it as that all red, or you could also just leave it as that all white, or you could just put it with a glass like this one, or you could use a taller glass like this one. Either way that you guys decided to do it, I think it looks super cute, or you could just do it like this one, like a beautiful centerpiece. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. I hope you guys like this DIY. Let's not forget, share, comment, and like, letting me know what you guys think of these DIYs.